Investors and finance professionals worldwide face a new reality. Environmental, social, and governance, or ESG factors, are gaining increasing importance in investment decision-making. Introducing the CFA Institute Certificate in ESG Investing, a credential that equips individuals with the knowledge and skills to navigate the dynamic landscape of sustainable finance. It caters to a wide range of professionals, from investment analysts and portfolio managers to financial advisors and ESG specialists, all seeking to deepen their understanding of how ESG factors shape investment decisions. The course content is comprehensive, covering areas from ESG fundamentals to ESG analysis all the way through to ESG in portfolio management. The exam is assessed via computer-based testing and comprises 100 multiple-choice questions to be done in 2 hours and 20 minutes. But how can this credential help you? First, global relevance. The certificate in ESG investing is globally recognized. Next, professional recognition and competitive advantage. In today's fiercely competitive job market, specialized ESG knowledge sets you apart. Finally, enhanced investment decision-making. You will be better equipped to make ESG-informed investment decisions. So why study with Quartic? Our expert trainers, comprehensive study materials including video libraries, practice questions, and mock exams, as well as personalized tutor support, provide the combination that you need to successfully navigate the content. The certificate in ESG investing is your ticket to a brighter future. Your success journey is personal. With Quartic by your side, you will gain the knowledge and skills not only to excel in the exam, but also to thrive in the world of sustainable finance.